Model, 70-plate Nissan NV250 Nevada 250, L2 DCI 95 Tekna long wheelbase, full MOT grade van. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 103,548. MOT, the 19th of December 2025. Engine, 1461 cc 1.5 DCI, 95 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox changes gear well and pulls in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon, parking sensors, reversing camera, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074